Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to tell you what is free body diagram. So you must have seen in laws of motion like topics where you have to make diagrams like this in order to show the forces acting on the body. So here we will discuss this free body diagram because it is the basic and the most important concept of mechanics. So let's start. Suppose these are the two bodies and you have to make the free body diagram of these two bodies. So first of all, we have to select the body of which we have to make the free body diagram. So first I have selected this body, the body of 2 kg mass. Suppose this body I have made its mass centered in a pointed object. Okay, I have taken this 2 kg body as this object. This is the object same as this 2 kg body. Okay, so we have to keep these three things in mind. What are the forces which act on the body? Is firstly the self weight, the normal reaction by the self weight if the body is in contact with the surface, and the external forces which act on the body. You have to keep just these three things in mind. Okay, now for drawing the free body diagram of this body, we have centered its mass in this pointed object, the self weight 20 Newton, because I have taken G is equals to 10 meter per second square for convenience. Okay, so this is the self weight acting downwards. This is the normal reaction faced by the body from the surface. Now what happens? This body applies a force, that is its weight, on this surface. In return, this surface gives a force or applies a force back to this body. So this is what the normal reaction is. If a body is, for example, hung like this, in case of this pulley, if it is hung, the body is hung, then no more normal reaction will be there, because it is not in contact with any surface that will give it a normal force or that will apply it a reaction force. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind. This is the normal, this is the self weight, and this is the normal reaction. Now what are the external forces? You can see the tension in the string is present always. String, wire and all other objects which are flexible possess a force called tension. So tension always acts opposite to the face of the object or the body. See, this is the face of this body, so it is acting opposite to it. This is the face of this body, so it is acting opposite to it. So this is the direction of tension. You have to show tension like this always. Now, tension is acting opposite to it. This is the direction of tension, T. So this is the free body diagram of this body. So if we apply F is equals to MA. Here F stands for F net, means net force acting on this body. So net force acting on this body is T. T is equals to mass 2 kg to acceleration, we are taking it as A. So T is equals to 2A is the equation. Now for this body, this is the point sized mass of this body 4 kg. 40 Newton is the self weight. Okay, this is the normal reaction N1. Okay, this was N, this is N1. This is the tension T, like this. You have to just see it and just copy it. And this is the external force F. Now you must be wondering why I did not apply this force on this body. I did not apply it because this force was adjusted by the tension, because it is not in direct contact with this force. This force is in direct contact with this body. Therefore, this force is applied on this body. Here, tension is applied directly to this body, and because of tension, this body will move, not because of this force. This force is apply a force on this body, and this body will create a tension here. That tension will be responsible for the movement on this body. Therefore, we have not shown the force F on this body. You have to keep in mind the free body diagram of any body gives you the forces which are applied on the body, not by the body. Here you can see this force is applied on the body. See, tension is applied on the body. The body is not applying tension, but the tension is applied on the body. Okay, for this 4 kg, this is the self weight, this is the normal reaction, and this is the tension in the string, it is opposite to it, and this force. So the net force, as you can see, the force is in this direction, therefore acceleration will be also in this direction. Therefore, if the acceleration is in this direction, then this force will be larger one. So the net force we are having is F minus T. Okay, this is the net force. F net is equals to F minus T. Now, this is in opposite direction. No, that's why we have used this sign. Now, Fv is equals to Ma. F net. F minus T is equals to mass 4 kg, 4, and this is A. So this is the equation we get. So this way you can make free body diagram of any body. Even you can solve the toughest problems of pulley, and the you can also solve the numericals like this. So this becomes very easier for you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.